Welcome to the Maths Department at the Compton School. My name is Zara Ramtaho and I am Head of Year 7 Maths. During this session, I will be discussing the following: setting of our classes, enrichment and stretching the most able, numeracy and intervention, and homework and independent learning. I would like to give a brief overview of what to expect for your child from Maths at the Compton. We believe all students should have strong number skills, and we provide a rich curriculum which prepares students for life. We try our best to ensure studying maths at the Compton is enjoyable, and we aim to create a love of learning for the subject. We want to ensure learning is targeted at the correct level for your child, and we do this via setting. At the Compton, we have 9 maths sets in Year 7. Every year we hold our own baseline testing at the beginning of Year 7 for all students to help us make decisions as to which is the best class for each student. The setting of each student is constantly under review throughout the year and every subsequent year. Within those 9 sets, we use differentiated schemes of work. For the Year 7 curriculum, we use the following textbooks. On the left is 7C, which is used by the most able students. In the middle, 7S, which is used by the middle ability students. And on your right, 7T, which is used by the lower ability students. At present, Year 7 students are being taught maths in mixed ability classes. Setting will occur after October half term. At the Compton, we start preparing your child for their Maths GCSE from Year 7. We see the GCSE course for Maths being 5 years and the best preparation for the new, more demanding Maths curriculum. To ensure progress is being made, we test students every half term. As just mentioned, we test students every half term, so every 6 weeks. Regular testing and monitoring of assessment data allows teachers to identify which students need more support. If a student does require support, the class teacher will provide in-class intervention. At the Compton, there are various enrichment opportunities in maths. Every year we participate in maths challenges held by the UKMT. These challenges are competitions designed to make students think about interesting problem-solving questions. The Junior Maths Challenge is specifically for Year 7 and 8 students. The UKMT Maths Challenge Club provides preparation for the Junior Maths Challenge and begins this week. It is held on Mondays in MG3 with Mr. Heron from 3 to 4 p.m. Year 7 and Year 8s will be alternating from week to week, so if your child is interested in attending, please ask them to check if the week session is for their year. Within lessons, there are opportunities to problem solve and complete enrichment tasks. Students are also encouraged to look at ways to enrich themselves with maths at home, for example by going onto the NRICH or UKMT websites. On the slide are some of the enrichment opportunities available at the Compton. Here is an example of Year 7 students who participated in the Junior Maths Challenge a couple of years ago and their achievements. Year 7 students are set maths homework of 30 to 40 minutes once a week. If your child requires support, they may attend the LRC or Homework Club, which is in curriculum support on Thursday between 2:40 and 3:40 p.m. The textbook your child uses in class may be of use for homework, and I will discuss later on how your child can access the textbook from home. Your child has access to 3 maths websites, which are highly beneficial: MyMaths, MathsWatch, and Mango High. Your child has a maths computer lesson once a fortnight and will know how to access all 3 websites. They would have been taught how to use all 3 websites by their teacher, and login details for all 3 websites can be found on page 54 of their learning journal. Homework is set on both Show My Homework and MS Teams. Recently, homework has been uploaded onto MS Teams to ensure that your child knows how to use the website. Here is an example of the My Maths website. Your child's maths teacher will set online homework tasks. As you can see, attached to each task is a lesson which your child may complete if they need help or for a recap. Here is an example of the MathsWatch website. On the screen, you can see an example question from a task assigned. In the bottom left-hand corner, there is a video. For all questions, there is a video attached for your child to readily watch if they need support. Here is an example of the Mangohai website. The Mangohai interface has more of a gaming, diagnostic style of asking questions and is very popular with Year 7 students. Your child has access to Firefly via the school website. On Firefly, your child can access the textbook they are using in class and for homework, which I will again show on the next slide. Your child also has access to two useful resources called Numeracy Passport and Algebra Passport. Your child will be shown how to download both and how to use both in lessons. As mentioned earlier, these are the textbooks Year 7 students will be using in maths lessons and for homework. Each textbook is readily available to view on Firefly. As you are aware, it is compulsory for students to bring a calculator to school every day. This is the calculator we recommend students to use at the Compton. It is available from the LRC for £8.50. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact the Year 7 manager, Miss Jones, or your child's maths teacher. Just so you know, Year 7 Parents' Evening is on the 1st of February 2021, and on that evening you will have the opportunity to meet your child's maths teacher. I hope you have found this session informative.